Now you guys have seen me put on BB cream and contour plenty of times, so I don't know that I really need to show you how to do that again. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. I'll fix the little bit of makeup line that I still have left here. But yeah, for the most part, we're ready to start laying on everything else. And the thing is that I cannot get my mailbox open. So anyway, and the landlord is really taking their time. So I think tomorrow, which is Monday, I'm going to have to call, the post office and just be like, come open my fucking mailbox before I die. Because I don't have my setting powders. And so it's going to be, it's going to be, okay, I'm scotch taped. But because I don't have any setting powder or anything, but I don't have any powder because it's stuck in my goddamn mailbox. So I don't know how everything's gonna go on today, and and the tape, I don't know how well that's gonna stay on with it being so slippery. So I've pushed it down pretty hard, and I know it's gonna peel off my foundation, but I have lots of extra on my little sponge so we can fix that. Electric violet, these are not all blue, it's the lighting. A lot of this is purple. Purple, 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 blue, purple, purple, almost black, like really cold gray, very pretty color, purple. Pink, pink, very, 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 very light shimmery pink, which looks great in this lighting. What the fuck? And so that's tone breaks under my shadowy. All right, here goes nothing, guys. Here goes. Oh my god! What? What? Boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Mmm. Yeah. Whew. So pigmented. Yes, 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 queen. Okay. You guys know that I can't just do one side and then do the other. I've got to do it as I go along, you know? Just, I gotta do both sides. You know my rule. Fuck up both sides at the same time. Alright? Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. Oh, I don't even care. Just for this one color, it was worth the not very much money that I spent on this. Like, seriously, if you go on Amazon, this is like $7 some odd dollars. It's like so cheap. Ugh. I love you, Remmel. Okay. And I'm not gonna lie, like, clearly, I'm gonna do this on my lid because I am in love with this color. Clearly, if you have something tacky to stick it onto, something tacky to stick it onto, you're gonna get a lot more color out of it. Look at me learning, teaching things. But that's what this is about, right? I was gonna learn, and then I was gonna share as I learn. So I learned a thing or two. And how long have I been doing this? 2.5 weeks. Right. But I've really researched a lot. Like I've dedicated a lot of time to this, you guys. I've really enjoyed it. I enjoy my time with you. Gosh, look at this crazy color. Ooh, look at it with the what do you call these? Contacts. Words. Wordsy. It's like, yeah. I am stupid excited over this shit. See, this is the abstract artist in me. Like, I see blues and greens, gray and black, my favorite color palette. I rarely like reds, oranges, whatever. But anyway, this reminds me of like Ridley Scott, where the little times that you get pops of color are these types of color, and I just, this is the artist in me just going, having a ridiculous orgasm over color. In all fairness, it also kind of reminds me because, like, I grew up in the South, and a lot of people in the South have boats to go out on the lake to fish. Fishing is like a very popular pastime. Mm-hmm. And yeah, so this reminds me of the boat. I don't know what you call them, hulls, the boat hulls, not holes, hulls. Okay, I lived in New York for like 14 years, and I picked up an accent that I cannot get rid of. It is just like stuck in me for life, okay? And I find it very hard to say certain words the way that I did before I lived in New York for 14 years. So, like, lawyer, I can't, I used to say it when I had never been to New York as like lawyer. I don't know. I can't do it anymore. It's just gone. It's gone from me. Like holes, hull. I don't know. Eek, eek, eek. There's some sad stuff. Anyway, the outside of the boat. I don't know if that's a hull. I don't know if that's what it is. Oh, I'm messing up my tape. I'm messing up everything. I mess up everything all the time. That's what I do for a living. I just mess shit up. Ooh. Anyway, it's like the pretty colors on the outside of the boats. There. How's that? Yeah. Now I feel like Porky Pig, but halt, the outside of boats. Okay. I'm so sorry, you guys. You know, I warned you in my very first video that you were going to have to listen to me sniffle. And a lot of people have told me that that's because I may be allergic to makeup. And I'm like, well, everybody's just going to have to listen to me sniffle. Because as soon as I start putting on makeup, it just goes. Which is really difficult for me because I have to wipe my nose and then reapply and then wipe my nose. It's like a vicious fucking circle. I think now that I'm doing it, I'm going to do the Cateye in this blue color. Yeah. Pretty. I cannot believe how strong and pigmented this goes on. What? It's just nuts. This is nuts. Oh gosh. What? Yeah, honey. Oh, yeah. Let's do it together. Oh, yeah. I think I'm going to be tired. I'm being ridiculous today with my blue thing. Yeah. Cool. I know somehow I'm going to put this up. I should have everything that I do in it, right? So let's just blend a little bit here. Can probably go back and do the cat eye line again, but this is getting a little cray. Calm her down a bit. And pushing this way because I'm just following the bone and crease line here. I think that'll be exactly what needed to happen. I don't know what I'm doing. You guys know this already. And here's an old lady. Yeah. And that smoked it out pretty good. I think. Oh, that color is so ridiculous. Oh my god. You can adjust the tape so that you have space here, but this is a little further up here with your waterline. So that way, when you go to do this like edge, you don't have to do it freestyle. Like you don't have to take the tape off and then do that part of the underneath of your eye and connect it to cat eye. You can use your kindergarten stencil to do that too. See? Ding dong. So I mixed the kind of the blue and that, or the electric blue and this black together. One finger. And then I'm just gonna kind of blend here in the corner with this highlight goldy color. And blend the bottom, and we're going to clean this up because I think that it's a bit too messy and far down, and that's fine. Oh wow, that's so good with the contacts, you guys. I'm just extending this down. See? See? Yep, yep. It's a little crooked. And I'm just going to use my finger and get a very delicately, see? Just line the top of my eye without having to line the top of my eye very carefully. Just follow the line. See? And then I'm just going to take a Q-tip, clean up a little tiny bit. Looks beautiful. So these are the Amida. These are 10 pair of false eyelashes. These were the ones that I could find that seemed the most natural to the ends push out a little more into the cat eye effect. So I'm going to try these. I just have some regular lash adhesive. Wow, these are just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And just so you know, the thing was, like, I had like the fake lash line, and instead of doing the eyeliner on the top first to cover it, I actually just followed the line of the fake lashes, and it ended up really great. I probably could have followed it out to the cat eye, but I really wanted to leave just the blue because I think doing the black is gonna get like way out of hand, and I mean this is already like pow enough for going out, right? So yeah, these are beautiful lashes. Anyway, I am going to finish up, do a little blush, do a little highlight. Gonna do my lips